Step 1. Please remove this plug and install a black bracer plug in the accessories bag. Step 2. Install an outlet high pressure pipe and use wrench to fasten it. Step 3. Install a water separator. Please remember to put in a white gasket for seal. Step 4. Collector water pipe. This step must be finished before we start the machine. Please check and ensure the water is circulating before we start the machine. Step 5. To reduce vibration, you can put the machine on a cushion. Step 6. Please loosen the 2 pieces blade valve screw and then start machine. After machine starts OK, stop machine and then fasten the 2 screws again. Step 7. This is overload protector. When it pops up, pump will stop working. So you need to push this button when you need to start the machine again. Step 8. There's a high pressure anti-explosion valve inside here. When pressure too high and you hear a big voice. You will need to check the valve plates inside it. Open this small screw to check, and replace a new copper gasket. This is pressure gauge and temperature display. The machine's temperature won't beyond 70 centigrade under normal working.